Hey guys, back here from another video. Today we're playing Minecraft, but today it's gonna be today we're going to make a world. It's a huge furnace, but it works. But I'm gonna test it out right now. First, let's look at everything. Oh God, this looks cool. Put a thumbs up if you like this. Oh, look at all the redstone stuff in there. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome to Working Huge Furnace Map. The map created by Tell Me Lame. And Twitter is same thing as but at and stuff. Okay, I don't know how to use this. Fuel. Oh, this is the fuel. So input. Oh. So what do you do? You put fuel right there. So let's go. We're in creative, so let's get some fuel. Wait. And a half there. I don't know if it's working. And then let's put some of this. Oh, I don't like this though. All of it is gonna go in here. So yeah. And I don't know what you do, but it's probably going to this large chest thing. Let's see. What is it doing in here? Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh no. This is cool. Donic, stop. Donic, this furnace works. I put some coal right there. Go. I'm making my video. Oh, he's always crying. That's why he's a crybaby. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. You just have to put coal right there and food in here. You need to go right here, go in this chest, and there's gonna be all your chicken and food and stuff. So,
I see your video. I see.
Yeah, okay. I'm making my video.
I'll put thumbs up.
Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment below what you want me to do next, and hit that subscribe button, and see you guys next time. Bye.